Okay, so today we're going to detail this engine bay, and one of the first things I'd like to say is usually when you detail an engine bay you got to pick a sunny day like today, because you'll need that sun to dry all the liquid we're going to use to clean this engine bay. Let's get right to it. Okay, so there's many products you can use. I'm just going to use these generic products here, which is the degreaser and the tire shine, which can be obtained from your local super cheap auto or your Autobahn or whatever spare parts store you have nearby. They're pretty much stocked everywhere. So to get started, we're going to use the degreaser. Now that we've applied degreaser to the whole engine bay, we'll let it sit for like a minute or two, then we're going to hose it all down. Now, when hosing down in the engine bay, you don't apply a lot of pressure. You just literally just rinse it all down, like so, like just lightly. Now for this next step, I'm going to use a little bit of car wash with this mitt and just sort of wash the generic areas of the car, and that should help give you a nice shiny finish in the end. So now, after using the soap to wash it down, we're just going to rinse it all off. Having sprayed the water everywhere, now it's just a matter of waiting for it to dry. The car wash really helps because you can see these key areas in the corner here, how it's like nice and yellow and shiny. You can see all the dirt has been removed. You come back to where the battery is, you can see all that gunk's been removed. You look on the edges here of the engine bay, you look at the strut brace. Now the engine bay overall looks really clean. Now the beauty of doing this while the engine's still sort of warm and the sun's out is that now all that water content will just evaporate really quickly. And then now we just literally need to wait for it to dry. Now the next step is, this engine bay is drying, we apply this tire shine everywhere. As you can see here, the tire shine's been applied everywhere. Now it's just a matter of sort of letting it drying a little bit. Then in like 10-15 minutes or so, we'll just use a rag to wipe it all down. Here's the finish of the engine bay.